In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best skateboard decks that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Bamboo Skateboards Green Fish Graphic. All the decks offered by Bamboo are made of the highest quality standard, and pretty much the brand name speaks the quality itself. No matter if you are a complete beginner or a pro skater who is curious to try something new, this Green Fish Graphic skateboard deck is for you. The concave is made deeper, offering premium control when riding, taking hard turns, or performing tricks. Though this product is advertised as a pro rider's deck, a lot of beginners who used it are satisfied with its performance. You can choose one of the 3 available sizes: 7.75 inches by 31.5 inches, 8 inches by 31.75 inches, and 8.25 inches by 32 inches. Number 2. Element Section Skateboard Deck. The Element is a brand of quality, and it focuses on manufacturing its decks with the most cutting-edge technology and top-notch materials for maximum durability and functionality. While it is a modern deck, it still depicts some of the traditional skateboard construction, which is also the secret to its durability. The 7-ply maple wood veneers are ready to bear the harshness of any environment and terrain, and also make the heads turn with their stylish graphics. The board has a width of 7.75 inch and a length of 31.25, which is perfect for all skaters, especially for the intermediates. Number 3. Baker Brand Logo Deck. Baker Brand is built to ride and roll and is made super durable with a 7-ply maple wood veneer press. It has the classic Baker logo on the board and feels grippy when you stand on it. It has a width of 8 inch and a length of 32, perfect for all skill-level skateboard riders. The product is available in 2 colors but only one size. It's also a great and affordable gift option, maybe for your son or a friend who has a birthday coming. What's good about this deck is that it is foolproof against all wear and tears. No matter on which terrain you ride this deck, it won't get a scratch or break. Number 4. Powell-Peralta Flight Skateboard. Powell-Peralta is the future skateboards. With a tech-inspired construction and super cool graphics on the top, it is probably the best deck you'll ever get. The deck features a popsicle shape with a K20 concave that looks nice and smooth. While this deck is thinner, it is also durable and lighter, made from 7-ply maple wood. What's amazing is after you ride it for 1 or 2 hours, you'll feel that you can do some pretty awesome tricks that a normal 7-ply deck won't allow. In simple, this deck is made to improve your skateboarding skills and not just limit them. Number 5. Bamboo Skateboards Geometricity Graphic. Bamboo always offers the most durable and catchy graphic decks which are easy to maneuver so you can easily learn and improve your skills. Don't be fooled by its lightweight design, the board is made to last for years to come. The bamboo used is very solid and light at the same time. Its deep concave shape offers increased control, no matter how fast you are riding or when performing tricks. The deck comes in 3 different sizes: 7.75 inches by 31.5 inches, 8 inches by 31.75 inches, and 8.25 inches by 32 inches. So, if you are a pro rider, go with the longboard.